What's going on, guys? This is Talon TC. Welcome back to my channel, and to new viewers out there, as always, welcome. Guys, we have a very exciting one for you guys today. I get to feature a new brand that you guys might not have heard of, which I always love doing. So the brand is called Wings of Liberty Clothing. Now, they reached out to me about a month back, or even a little bit longer, about the possibility of working together and them sending out a couple pieces for me to review or unbox. And I browsed their website, and a lot of their pieces seemed like it fell in line with my aesthetics and with my style, so I was super happy to do it. So they sent out the package for me. It just got delayed a little bit because of just how the delivery system has been lately, but it's here, so I'm going to be unboxing it, showing you guys all the pieces, kind of running it through with you guys, and also breaking down like the sizing and what size I got and how it fits and all of that good stuff. And guys, before we dive into the actual unboxing, if you guys could take a quick second, scroll down and smash that like button. You guys know I truly appreciate it and how much that helps this channel grow. But with that said, guys, let's get straight into the unboxing. And here is the package right here. Big box. Now, I have a general idea of what they sent me, but not specifically. So I'm excited to get into it, and you guys will be kind of getting my first reaction as well. But first, right off the bat, you guys know I appreciate the nice packaging that brands do, that extra step that they take to kind of make that unboxing experience and receiving their shipment just a little bit more special with their logo right there. But yeah, let's get into it. Oh, I see how this works. I'm gonna grab my scissors right here and let's get into it. I think that's... Alright, now the box is open, and like I said, I'm not quite sure what's going to be in here, and I remember kind of like discussing sizing with him. Super cool guy, by the way, who's running their Instagram page over there, and I've been talking back and forth with him quite a bit. But yeah, I don't know exactly what pieces, but yeah, I discussed the sizing, but it was a while back, so I kind of forget what sizing I asked for. But again, I'll break it all down for you guys in this video. I forgot one part of the box, so bear with me. So we got the box open, finally. But yeah, look, again, that really nice packaging right here with this, I think it almost feels like a sticker, but it's just like a card. It says, "Hi John, hope everything has found you okay. Can't wait to hear what you think of my work, and I hope you enjoyed them. Massive thank you, Dan." Dan, I appreciate you sending this package out to me. Really, I do not take opportunities like this for granted. Just want to let you guys know. But yeah, super cool packaging. But yeah, let's get into the pieces. All right, now the first piece right off the bat is a nice knitted beanie. Now, it works out because I've actually been looking for a beanie to get for, you know, this time of year when it's a little bit chilly, going into the spring season. And this one it's really nice. I like it. It's nicely knitted. It's not too heavy, which I don't really like anyways, and they have this nice patch on the beanie right there with their logo on it, which is a nice touch. But the only thing with beanies for me is because I have a big head. So a lot of like headwear, whether it's like caps or beanies, whatever it is, it might, like, I gotta find a specific one that works for me, just because again, my head is too big and not just any off the rack will work. But yeah, I'm excited to try this one out, and again, at the end of this video, I will put everything on and kind of show you guys what it looks like on body. So, nice beanie to start with, and I think he just threw it in there like last minute, so truly appreciate that, Dan. But let's move on to the next one. Moving on to the next piece, it's a pair of sweatpants right here. Now, this piece is the one that I was super excited about, and also the next one, but it's called their Talon Joggers. I think it's the newer pieces that they're adding to their line right now. But yeah, it's just nice, simple gray sweatpants with these really nice contrasting drawstrings, which I really liked, and that's something that caught my attention right off the bat. And right out of the box, the weight of it feels really good. You guys know how I feel about those heavyweight pieces. I absolutely love it. And I feel like every guy just needs a nice pair of gray joggers or sweatpants in their wardrobe. So this was, I was so excited when I was able to get this one out to me. Now, it says a size medium on the back. I'm usually a small when it comes to bottom, so I'm kind of excited to, or curious I should say, on how it's going to work out. But let me see if I can get this one open. Oh yeah. All right, so the weight of it is phenomenal. It's like that good, because I have cheap gray sweatpants and it's very, very lightweight. And this one, you can already feel the quality. It's definitely on the heavier side. And this is what I mean by the contrasting drawstring. Like, it's on the longer side, which again, I really like. I think I talked about it with one of my cargos from PacSun, that long drawstring. But yeah, now looking at the size medium, I believe this is a size medium. Yeah, it just seems pretty wide in the waist. I'm not quite sure how that's gonna work out, but again, I'll be throwing it on body later in the video. But just the piece alone, it's really, really nice, and it has that cuff at the bottom. Of course, you can play around with it, you know, show some socks when you're wearing sneakers. But yeah, this one is really, really nice. And I really, really like this piece initially when I saw it on their Instagram, which you guys should go check out. I'll definitely link them down below. But yeah, really, really nice piece. And the next piece is actually a piece to go with this one. So let me show you guys that real quick. All right, and the next piece to go with the previous one is the Talon Hoodie. It's the matching set for the sweatpants. And you guys know how I feel about hoodies. I feel like I talk about it in all of my videos. You can never have too many hoodies, in my opinion, and you guys know how many I already have. And I feel like that could be a good video, you know, like a hoodie collection. Maybe, if you guys are interested in that, let me know down below. But yeah, this is just a nice, simple gray sweatshirt that any guy could wear, and it's on that simple. And I realized that I don't own just a simple light gray sweatshirt or hoodie, which I've been eyeing for quite some time now. So the fact that Wings of Liberty sent it out to me, again, truly, truly appreciate this. Now let's get this one open and check it out. Again, the weight of it is significantly different than your normal hoodie that you would get from anywhere else. So let's see. Now, one thing I realized is that there's no pull strings for the hood. This makes it for a cleaner looking hoodie, in my opinion. I have a couple of hoodies that I don't have strings for, and it looks clean, and there's not even holes there. So really nice, simple piece right here. And again, the weight of it, and this one looks really, really nice. The hood is nice and big. I hate it when the hoods are so small that you can't even put it on. So definitely like that about it. And you can already tell that it's gonna be an oversized fit that has that drop shoulder to it. But yeah, super, super simple gray sweatshirt, you know, can't say enough about it. And they have just a minimal branding patch right there by the pocket of the hoodie. And they also have that branding on the sweatpants on the back by the back pocket right here. Just that small patch, the minimal branding, which we all know we love. Yeah, a really clean hoodie, and I think going with the size, I think this is a size medium too. I think this is gonna be perfect. Yeah, size medium, it's gonna be that oversized fit you guys know I love. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a perfect fitting hoodie. It might be slightly bigger, but slightly bigger than what I'm used to, but I think it'll be all right. And I can't wait to throw this on body and kind of put these pieces together and see how it looks. So let's move on to the next and final piece. All right, now the last and final piece is actually a pretty crazy one. This one I saw initially on the Instagram story when they reshared somebody's post and them styling it. And there was something unique about this piece from the other pieces that I've seen before that made me want to try it out and grab it and test it out and show it to you guys as well. But it's this patched denim jacket that they have. They have a lot of different denim jackets and also leather jackets too. But yeah, it's really heavily patched up on the top. Has their logo patched right here by the chest pocket. And it's distressed. It's distressed denim jacket by the collar and the back. But let me open it up and show you guys that unique part about this jacket that I really, really like. So here's the jacket. Now I got this in a size small. I don't know, maybe I said small, I don't know, but from the looks of it, looks like it'll fit perfectly fine. But yeah, like I said, distressed denim jacket right here, heavily patched up. I kind of like that. I wasn't sure about the whole patching on like denim jackets. I know a lot of people do it. A lot of people do it on like those pins on leather jackets, like little customization that you do to your jackets. I wasn't quite sure about it, but I don't mind it. It looks really good. Something super casual for you to wear, but yeah, really, really like that. And this is the back. And this is their logo lightly drawn on the back of the jacket. Again, I don't mind it. The logo is actually pretty cool. And they have their patching in the back right here. So the one unique aspect about this jacket that I really, really liked and that I wanted to test out for myself is the zipper running down both sides. Now this is the front of the jacket, and on both sides about a quarter way up, they have a zipper that you can open up or close down, and I think this will really help with the layering effect, which you guys know I have come to love. If you're layering with like a long t-shirt or even a sweatshirt, you can kind of have that peeking through if you do have the zipper open, and it's on both sides. So I really do like that about this jacket, and I'm kind of excited on what kind of looks that I can put together, because if you don't want it open, you can just fully zip it down and just wear it as like a normal denim jacket. Now, just having that option, and to think that they thought of putting that option onto this jacket, I can really appreciate that. So yeah, this is a denim jacket. Really sick piece, really crazy, something very different from what I would normally wear. I know I said that a lot of these pieces fall in line with my style and aesthetics, but this is something that I wanted to try out, something very new, which I don't think it ever hurts to step out of your comfort zone. But yeah, super excited to try this, and I thought I would need a size medium when I first saw the packaging, but now opening it up, I think small would be perfect. And yes, that's all the pieces that they sent out to me, and again, I truly appreciate it, Dan, for sending it out. I do not take this opportunity for granted. I know I can't say that enough. But yeah, now I'm going to be styling these pieces for you guys, throwing it on body and showing you guys a full body shot on how it fits, just so if you guys are interested in picking up these pieces yourself, you guys can gauge on what size to get. Now, for reference, I am 5'7", 155 pounds, and I'm sort of like a medium build, so you guys can take that however you want when you're picking out your own sizing. So let's go ahead and get into the full body shots. That is going to be it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, always let me know by clicking that thumbs up button down below. You guys know how far that goes in getting this video out to more people in an effort to grow this community. And while you guys are down there, make sure you guys throw into the comment section down below, what are your thoughts about these pieces? Which one of these is your favorite? Do you guys want to see a styling video from me? All that good stuff, comment that down below. Let's get connected, let's converse about it. And subscribe to this channel too, and click on that notification bell. In the next couple of days, I'll be dropping a vlog, and it's going to be a banger. Trust me, and you don't want to miss it. Make sure you guys do that. And lastly, if you're not following me over on Instagram, make sure you guys do so as well. But with all that out of the way, guys, if you watch this video all the way to the last bit, I love each and every single one of you. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.